Hi! So, I'm kind of tired today. I mean, I'm always tired, so like, I haven't got dressed today yet. I don't think I'm gonna get dressed actually. So today we're gonna be testing out the NYX Luminous Tinted Skin Serum. It's there from their Bear With Me range. I feel like I never provide any information about anything I do in a testing video. So today I'm gonna inform you on some stuff. If you're new, by the way, my skin type is dry as fuck. That's the category I am, so hi if you're the same. I did kind of used to have combo skin, but we're dry now. So, they have 5 shades of this. It's £13. I got mine off Beauty Bay just because, you know, get those points. I'm just going to read a little bit about it. So it's available in 5 shades and the sheer formula is designed for all skin tones. I don't understand how it can be for all skin tones when you've only got 5 shades. I don't know if it's more one of those things that where it kind of, you know, liquid like illuminators, for example. Something that's not, it's not like a liquid highlight, but something that you kind of mix in with foundations. I feel like those kind of get away with not providing like a big shade range because you kind of mix them in with things, and I think, is that what this is supposed to do? Because I'm trying to think like why they wouldn't have a big shade range, because NYX always do. So I think it's one of those things that kind of adapts to like your skin maybe. I'm just kind of guessing because there's no explanation for that. It helps to unify both texture and tone whilst imparting a dewy glow. It's lightweight and it has tremella mushroom, which is to lend instant radiance. We need that. Clearly, for skin to appear bright and healthy. That's what we want for the summer, isn't it? It's vegan, cruelty free, of course. I also just realised I didn't do a proper intro, so we're just gonna move on. We're just gonna pretend that I did one. Face wise, I've done all my skincare as normal and I've just used my Smashbox primerizer. I always use this in any like testing foundation video just because I feel like it's good to kind of keep the same primer in like all the testing videos just so I know. If anything drastic happens to my face, it won't be the primer. So I got the shade medium. Well, it says universal medium on the bottom. So that's kind of what makes me think that it's something that is supposed to just like adapt, you know what I mean? Adapt to your skin. I feel like the packaging is really cute. So it's just got like a rubbery like dropper thing here. And then you just take this off. This is gonna get lost in my room. I know it is. Literally, where is that? I've literally lost. Okay, there it is. It just comes out like that. I'll squeeze a bit on my hand so you can see what it looks like. So you just, I did shake it, didn't I? So you just go like this and squeeze it out like that. That's what it said on the box anyway. Let's bring you in. What are we doing here? Alright, so that's what it looks like. And I'll just blend it out on my hand just so you can see. Oh, that looks really nice actually. Oh, you know what it has? It came out like, it does look pretty, like that looks way too dark for me. When you blend it out, it does, okay, I kind of understand now why it's called Universal. That looks really nice on the back of my hand. So I'm not gonna bother using a sponge. Why have I got a red mark on my face? I'm not gonna bother with a sponge because it's one of the, I don't know about anyone else, but tinted moisturizers, anything that's kind of not a foundation, I don't bother using a sponge with just because they're already lightweight enough. So it's like, do I really need any less coverage than I'm already going to get from it? So I'm just going to use my favourite Love is the Foundation brush. There has to be a more elegant way of doing this, but who knows? I'm going to do about that much. We'll blend one side out first and then just see how we do. Did I provide you with enough information? I don't know if I did. Okay. Has that literally done anything? I feel like it's just evened out the skin tone. Like obviously this, my face is always a bit, I say this all the time, my face is always a bit lighter than the rest of my body because it doesn't get as much sun as my body does. So you can see it's evened out my skin tone and that was just like a little bit. I'm gonna add maybe like a little bit more. I don't really know how much more to add. Obviously I know it's not going to be something that's going to give you a load of coverage, it's just to kind of balance your skin because obviously it's a serum, it's not a tinted moisturizer, so just bear that in mind as well because obviously I don't think I've ever reviewed or like tried or like tested a skin serum like this before, so I'm trying to keep it in my head not to be like, oh my god, I'm not getting coverage, because it's not something that's supposed to give you coverage. So I actually really like how that looks. these are the kind of products that I like now, just because I don't like having a lot of foundation on. I don't really like wearing foundation, to be honest. We know I've gone to the tinted moisturizer side of life now. So this is definitely something that I would like. And I'm liking it so far. I feel like it looks really nice. Obviously it does give it a nice dewy glow. You can see all of my skin through it though. So like if you have redness, if you're putting it under your eyes, it's not going to cover everything. You can still kind of see that red mark that I had on my face there. So obviously coverage wise, you're not going to get it to cover anything. So if you like compare this to like an actual tinted moisturizer, you're going to get more coverage, because I feel like tinted moisturizers do cover a little bit more than this definitely does. I feel like this is literally just kind of balancing out my skin tone and just giving me a bit of a glow. I don't get how it says that it balances out texture, because you can still see all of my skin through, so it hasn't really balanced anything there. So I don't get that, but it's okay. Okay, I'm gonna shut up and just blend the rest out and we'll see. Okay, this packaging is already getting on my nerves. My skin's going red. I know it's not this because I had that red patch before I put it on, so it's not that, but my skin's just having a day apparently. And this is what we've got. So like I said, you can still see the redness. You can still see my skin pretty much all the way through, but it has just given me like a really nice glow and just balanced out like my skin tone, which honestly, I feel like I didn't really have anything that did this, because it literally looks like I'm not really wearing anything. And I feel like this is something that will be good for anyone who like wants like a no makeup kind of look. So I kind of like it. We're gonna see how it wears throughout the day. It's like 2 p.m. right now. We've started a bit late. So yeah, I'm gonna come back and show you what it looks like when I've applied the rest of my makeup and stuff on. I usually keep it in the video just so it's not like a really boring video. But I actually am gonna go film something else. Yeah, I can't do that for you, so sorry, but I'll come back and I'll show you what everything looks like when I've like got concealer and I've like set my face and everything. So I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, hi, I'm back. So I thought I would just show you what it looked like with just concealer and powder on. So I used my Dose of Colours Meet Your Hue concealer and the Glossier Wowder. So I kept the concealer literally just under my eyes as well. I didn't bring it down. I didn't put any here on my chin, anywhere else on my face, because obviously we want to see how like the serum works. And same with the powder. I didn't powder anywhere else, just like a tiny bit just kind of under my eyes. And that's literally it, because we want to see if it's going to get oily, if it's going to, I don't know, if it's going to cause some reaction on my face throughout the day. We'll see. So I thought I'd just show you what it looks like now. I feel like it actually looks a bit nicer now that I've set it. Then again, I've got coverage under my eyes now, so that's probably why it looks better to me. But yeah, that's what it's looking like now. I feel like it looks really nice. I like it. Okay, again, I'll come back once I've done all of my makeup. I'm actually going to go test the Jen Atkin palette out. So yeah, I'll see you later. Hi! Okay, it's actually been quite a few hours. I've left my mirror in my other room. It's actually like, I think it's almost 4 o'clock now. Yeah, I forgot to show you my makeup after I filmed like this look for Instagram, but I had food that I was making and I got excited and ran down to it. This is the makeup look that I did anyway. If you want to see what it is, it's over on my Instagram, so you can go see it over there if you want. But my skin looks really nice. I did use that Jen Atkin mist from e.l.f. Nothing much has really happened, to be fair. It looks exactly the same as it did before. You can still see all my skin through, but it's not gone oily or extra shiny in my opinion or anything. I do have a highlight on, but other than that, I feel like my skin looks really nice. I'm happy with this, okay? Honestly, I'm liking it so far. But like I said, it's only like 4 o'clock now. I think I might go for a walk for a bit. It seems like really nice outside, so I think I'm just gonna go for a walk for a little bit. And then when I come back, maybe before dinner or something, I can show you how it's looking again. I don't know, I've forgotten how to do these check-in videos. Do you need another close-up? I mean, you can pretty much see it. It looks exactly the same as it did before, but it just literally looks like my skin, honestly. Oh my god, am I tired? It's like 8:15 right now. I'm done. Like, I'm ready to take this makeup off. My eyes have gone really dry as well, so I want to take my contact lenses out. Okay, let me have a look at my face. Oh, I'm in full on natural light right now as well, which I guess is good. I didn't even bother putting my filming light on, so my skin looks pretty good still. I feel like it literally looks exactly the same as it did before. It's worn pretty well. It's been really hot outside today as well, and it was really hot, but it's all stayed on and I don't feel like I'm oily or anything like that. Like, this is obviously just like I've got the highlight on, so I feel like that's just all the glow from that, but like, I mean, I don't really get oily anymore just because my skin's just really dry. But yeah, I'm happy with it. Okay, so as a first impression, I do really like it. It's definitely something that I would wear these days because I don't really like wearing foundations, like I've said. So this is literally something that I feel like I could wear just like every day. It's just really nice, very lightweight. I'd say the only thing I don't like is just like the dropper thing. Like, I don't get why they couldn't have done it the other way around. You know what I mean? Like, have the dropper, like a face oil, you know, where they've got the dropper inside. I feel like that just makes more sense. I don't like this like the little cap, and then just the fact that you have to hold the bottle like that and then squeeze that. I feel like it feels like an udder. Like, I don't want to feel like I'm milking a cow when I'm applying my makeup, you know what I mean? But that's just a tiny thing. That's just me being picky. And yeah, I guess that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful if you're thinking about getting it. If you've got it, let me know what you think of it as well. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video at some point. I feel like my cat's like that, so I can hear her. Okay, I'm gonna go to bed, even though it's 8:20.